I have here a heated sourdough bread baking kit here. See what it comes with. It comes with the instructions, little toppers for your basket, little scraper, another little booklet here, another scraper, a little whisk, a little spatula piece here, and here's the basket that's heated with the cord, and then inside here we have the little knife for the bread making. So you can see here it comes with a complete sourdough starter kit here. It comes with everything you need. It even comes with a secret homemade recipe in here. There's multiple in here. So you can use these nice recipes, which is really fun. This whisk is super high quality, high strong. It's gonna whisk really well under high pressure and not break. To show you, this whisk works really well. I'm kneading my dough here so I can cook it tomorrow. So even though this dough is super thick, the whisk is having no issues. It's nice and strong and mixes it really, really well. So now I have my dough ready in this little basket here. So now I can plug it in and have it heating, and it will raise a lot quicker with this little unit here. So right here, it has it turned on here because it's plugged in. It will have to be plugged in the whole time. And then if you want the temperature up, you push the plus button, and it has different settings. You can see the light right there. If you want to turn it down, you can push the negative. Okay. So the first one is green. It's going to be 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you go up, and the blue is going to be 95 degrees. And then we've got the yellow one at 104. And then the red one at 113. So all those 4 different temperature settings are meant so they won't kill the yeast at all. So it's the perfect amount of heat, and it's going to make a difference. And that comes with 2 different lids. You can either use the lid, this one, or it comes with these as well that you can use just depending on what you want to do. So I got 2 here. This one has the heated basket and this one does not. So we're going to see if this one raises faster and how in comparison. So now this is the one that's not heated, and this is the one that is heated. You can see how well this one is raising. It's nice and big and fluffy. This one is raising, it's just really slow. So this one is going to cut your time in half drastically when you're trying to raise your dough. So this did work perfect. This is ready to go. This one still has more time. It's just gonna take longer to raise it without this nice little basket that heats. So now I'm just gonna flip it out, score it, and put it in my oven. So just make sure you unplug it when you're done, and this is gonna be super easy just to clean with some water and dry it, and it'll be all ready for you to use next time. So this heated sourdough baking set is super nice. I love this little collapsible basket that heats up just the right amount of heat to raise it. You can see the amazing bread that I made. It's gonna be really, really good. It comes with all the starter stuff you need to get started with making sourdough bread, or even just regular bread if you would like to. It's super nice. All this stuff is really high quality and works really well.